Unit 7 Mid-Unit Major Retake. Calculator inactive. Question 1. Determine if each statement is positive, negative, or zero. Question 2. A hare is sitting 7 feet above sea level. The crocodile is swimming 5 feet below sea level, and the fish are 12 feet below sea level. Determine if each statement is true or false. A. The difference in height between the hare and the fish is 5 feet. B. The difference in height between the crocodile and the fish is 7 feet. D. The distance between the crocodile and the hare is 12 feet. D. The difference in height between the hare and the fish is 19 feet. E. The distance between the fish and the crocodile is negative 7 feet. Question 3. These four numbers are plotted on a number line. Negative 2 over 3, 5 over 6, 3 over 4, negative 1 over 2. Write these fractions in order from least to greatest. Question 4a. A diver swam 30 feet below the surface of the ocean. What is the diver's elevation? Question 4b. The boat for the diver is at the surface of the ocean. What is its elevation? Question 5. Place each of the letters on the following number line. Question 6. Sam received and spent money in the following ways last month. For each example, write a positive or negative number to represent the change in money from his perspective. A. Sam purchased $32 worth of pens. B. Sam spent $40 on flowers for his mom. C. Sam earned $20 mowing the lawn.